This the worst 2 days for the Dow of the year?
I would think so. I mean, we've been waiting for it. We've also been waiting for the chairman to speak, so we've gotten that. Now there's really nothing to look forward to except for earnings. People think earnings are going to be a little bit lackluster. Europe's still a mess. So what do you have to look forward to?
But doesn't that make the U.S. more attractive than anywhere else in the world right now?
That was the story. But the problem is, was the U.S. propped up by Ben Bernanke, or was it real substantive, fundamental bullishness? So we're starting to see that it was just about Ben Bernanke for now. So we have to see if these levels hold.
I mean, housing would have you believe otherwise. The Philly Fed today would have you believe otherwise.
But housing were reliant on rates. ISM numbers have been weaker. So there hasn't been a lot to, if you look at some of the revenue, we've seen some revenue misses. So there hasn't been things that you really substantive.
On housing, there's a difference between profitability of housing and a housing recovery. Housing stocks can fall because they may not be able to make abnormal profits. It doesn't mean to say that the housing recovery is not still in place.
It's still a supply-demand issue, to your point, and I think that still works to the bullishness. But the problem is, with stocks factor in 6 months lead time. So we're factoring in the profitability of these companies.